Hi there, this is Panda Pete. You know, I've been cursed with this irresistible desire to figure out things. So when I see something, I think about it. I know not everyone does that, but I do. The other day, I saw a billboard that had a picture of a fetus, a picture that looked like it was taken right in someone's womb. I have some idea of how they got the camera in there, but how the hell did they know where to point it? I guess it doesn't matter. What does matter, however, is what the billboard said. It's a child, not a choice. Well, that got me to cogitating. You know, scientists these days can do miraculous things. They can even build bodily organs by cloning stem cells. These cells develop into hearts, livers, lungs, etc. And these cells don't have to be from the specific organ they're trying to grow. No, these wizards will soon make a complete human being from, let's say, tissue extracted from someone's molar. That's right, a total human built from a tooth. I wonder if the folks who put up that fetus billboard will push for laws against tooth extraction. Big billboard with, "It's not a choice, it's a tooth," subtitled under a picture of a bloody molar. Peace out, shitheads.